cale pétard entre mes dents. Bah ouais, j'sors la béca. J'sors la béca.
So, I hope you enjoyed just what. Welcome to my wedding story. I've been dreaming of this day for a very long time. It's been something that I've been looking forward to, that one day I'm going to get married to a wonderful, beautiful woman. So yes, I look forward to this day for a very long time, and I'm glad and I'm grateful that it's happening right now. When I saw that people who are doing good in marriage, and I felt inspired, and I prayed to God, please give me a good woman, the woman that's going to make me peace of mind. And God answered my prayer. Every part of that prayer, everything I want in a woman, I found in her. She's all I have ever wanted in a woman. So I'm dedicating this cup to you, my love.
Stuck on you. Got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needing a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed. Stuck on you, been a fool too long. I guess it's time for me to come on home. Guess I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you could wait around for a man like me. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed.
A brother can never stay away on my body if Oluwabumi is not giving me peace of mind. So, and it's a thing of joy to plan your dream wedding with the right AC. Today, I'm going to enjoy myself to the fullest because this is now wedding story.